coming up very soon. And if you have a dog who's afraid of loud noises, thunderstorms, fireworks, things like that, you want to make sure that you help them in a way that is good for them. A lot of times your first instinct is going to be to coddle them, give them lots of attention, tell them it's okay, you don't have to worry. But that's actually not a good thing, because that tells them that the way that they're acting, being scared and terrified, is right. It's telling them that they do have something to fear. And you want to make sure that they know that there's nothing wrong. It's just an average day. Those noises don't mean anything. So what you actually want to do is just act normal. When they start to panic, they're going to start looking at you and see if you're panicking as well. And if you're acting calm, just doing dishes, watching TV, everyday things, then they're going to act calm as well. The other thing that you want to do is try and distract them by giving them treats, working on their training, giving them Kongs stuffed with peanut butter or yogurt, things like that. Things that you know that they really enjoy, to help them focus on something other than the loud noises that they're hearing. You also want to make sure that all of your windows and doors are really secure, because sometimes when dogs hear loud noises and get scared, they become a lot stronger than you expect, and they may actually break out of those windows and doors without you even noticing. Also, if you're going to have your pet in the backyard, you want to make sure that all of the fencing is completely secured, and you want to make sure that the fencing is tall enough that they can't jump over it if they get frightened. The best thing to do is to keep them indoors, and as I said before, act like it's a totally normal day. The noises don't mean anything. If they do get scared and run and hide somewhere, just let them hang out there, not a big deal. But if they do come over to you, just give them a treat and go back to what you're doing. For cats, it's a little bit different. You want to actually just give them somewhere safe to hide, whether it's a box or letting them into the basement or something like that will help them to feel safer having somewhere to hide away from the noises. And I think that's it.